Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you struggling to expand your English vocabulary? Do you find yourself using the same words over and over again? Or maybe you're preparing for IELTS, TOEFL, or any English proficiency exam and feeling overwhelmed by all the vocabulary you need to learn? I've been there too. That's exactly why I created the Ultimate English Vocabulary Builder, a complete Notion template designed to help you master English vocabulary in a structured, organized, and effective way. In this video, I'll show you exactly what's inside this template and how it can transform your English learning journey. Let's dive in.
So, if you're serious about building a powerful English vocabulary, this template is exactly what you need. Here's what makes it special. It's not just random word lists, everything is organized by categories, difficulty levels, and topics, so you always know what to learn next. You get practical exercises to actually use the words you learn, not just memorize them. There's a built-in progress tracking system that keeps you motivated and shows you exactly how much you've improved. Plus, it includes over 100,000 curated words, idioms, phrases, vocabulary games, quizzes, and tons of resources, all in one beautifully organized Notion workspace. Whether you're preparing for exams, improving your professional English, or just want to express yourself better, this template has you covered. And the best part? It's only $20 one-time payment, lifetime access, and you get all future updates completely free. The link is in the description below. Grab your copy now and start building your vocabulary the smart way. Trust me, your future self will thank you.
If you love this planner, you'll want to check out even more learning-focused tools like IELTS prep kits, vocabulary builders, and skill-based planners, all designed to help you learn smarter. Visit sparkskytech.com/shop/learning-education. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more Notion templates and productivity hacks, and hit the bell so you never miss a new release. Got questions? Drop them in the comments, I read every one. Now go out there and own your academic journey.